If you are watching this, you probably just got this error. In this video, you learn why this error occurs and how to solve it.
Here is list names. I print the first element. I execute the code. That works. Now I use the reverse function and print the first element of the reversed list. I execute the code again. Now I get a type error. List reverse iterator object is not subscriptable. So, why is the reversed list not subscriptable? What happened when Python reversed the list? You might have expected that Python created a new list where the order of the elements is reversed, but that is not what happened. Instead, an iterator object is created with a reference to the original list. The iterator iterates the original list in the reverse direction. The iterator is a lightweight object and prevents the need for a full copy of the original list. So it saves memory, but there is a downside. Classic list functionality like len or subscription are not supported. So what if you need an element at a certain index from a reversed list? Well, here are two options. Reverse list in place or convert iterator to list. Let me start by reversing the list in place. I reverse the original list in place. When I execute the code, the order of the original list is reversed. Notice that the names list is reversed and I can use subscription to get an element at an index. That works, but this changed the original list. When I used the reversed function, the original list was unchanged, but the problem was that it doesn't support subscription. To get elements from a reversed list iterator, I convert the iterator to a list like this. Now I have an unchanged original list and a new list where the elements are reversed. And the reversed list is subscriptable.
Yep, there's always more than one solution to the problem. And that is why it is a good thing to learn the different types of lists in Python. And there is another one that is really interesting. It is called generator expressions. And if you want to see how they work, click on this video right now. There you learn how to map and filter lists lean and mean.